If you want to give your blue hour photos that rich, cinematic, moody look in Lightroom, this is the exact workflow to follow. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a simple color grading process that helps you turn a normal blue hour image into something that feels atmospheric, dramatic, and polished. And if you enjoy quick Lightroom tutorials like this, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's start with the foundation in the light panel. The first thing I want you to do is bring the exposure slightly down, usually somewhere around -0.2 to -0.5. This helps set a darker, more cinematic base. Then pull the highlights down quite a bit, around -50 to -80, so you can recover detail in bright areas like the sky or any lights in the scene. Next, raise the shadows a little, around +20 to +40, to bring back some detail without making the image look flat. And finally, add a bit of contrast, around +10 to +20, to give the photo more shape and separation. Once the light foundation looks good, move into white balance and cool the image down. For moody blue hour editing, temperature is one of the most important controls. Drag the temperature toward blue to make the whole image feel cooler and more evening-like. Then adjust tint slightly toward magenta, around +5 to +10, just enough to keep the colors from going too green. This small tint adjustment helps the blues feel cleaner and more natural. Now go to the HSL panel, where you can shape the color mood more precisely. Focus on the blue channel first. Increase blue saturation by about +20 to +40, so the sky and cool tones feel richer. Then lower blue luminance by about -10 to -30 to deepen the sky and create that darker, moody atmosphere. After that, reduce orange saturation by -10 to -30. This helps control any warm distractions in the image and keeps the blue hour palette dominant. Next, open the color grading panel to build the cinematic look. In the shadows, push the hue toward deep blue, around 220, with saturation around 15 to 25. This gives the image that cold, dramatic shadow tone. In the midtones, add a subtle teal or blue cast so the image feels cohesive without looking unnatural. For the highlights, keep the color very subtle and cool. You do not want to overpower the photo here. The goal is a balanced cinematic grade that still feels believable. After that, it's time to add glow and mood. Lower clarity by around -10 to -20 to soften texture and create a more dreamy feel. Then reduce dehaze slightly, around -5 to -10, to introduce a little atmospheric haze. This can make blue hour scenes feel more spacious and moody. Finally, add a vignette around -10 to -20 to gently pull the viewer's eye toward the center of the frame. Here are a few pro tips to keep in mind. First, keep your blues rich, but do not oversaturate them or the image will start to look fake. Second, always protect skin tones if people are in the photo, because pushing everything too blue can make faces look unnatural. And third, use masking if you want more control, especially if you only want the effect on the sky and not the entire photo. So that is the full workflow for color grading moody blue hour photos in Lightroom. Start with light, cool down the white balance, refine the blues in HSL, shape the mood with color grading, and finish with glow and atmosphere. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Lightroom editing tips, and I'll see you in the next one.